learn together. What vehicle is this? Hello, little friends. Let's play a fun game. What vehicle is this? Can you guess the vehicle by the sound or look? What vehicle makes this sound? That's right, a bus. Yay! I take children to school. Can you say bus? B-U-S, bus. What's this one? Whoa, whoa! Yes, a police car. I help keep everyone safe. Say it with me, police car. Now listen. Nee, no, nee, no. Wow, it's a fire truck. I rush to help in emergencies. Let's say it, fire truck. Again, fire truck. Look up. What's that flying in the sky? Is that a bird? Oh, it's an airplane, flying high up in the sky. I travel all around the world. Say it loud, airplane. And here's a small one. It has 2 wheels. Can you guess what vehicle this is? It's a bicycle. I'm fun to ride with 2 wheels. Say it with me, bicycle. Great job, everyone. You're amazing at learning vehicles. See you next time. Bye-bye.